Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is for those people who say, I want to learn English but I don't know how to practice daily. So today I'm going to show you how I practice English in my daily life step by step. After getting up in the morning, the first thing I do is brush my teeth. And then I drink a glass of water for better metabolism. And yes, some construction work is going on near me, so it creates irritating sound. Now look at these plants. This is my coriander plant, these are curry leaves, and this is a tomato plant. And look at this plant. This plant is called Sudarshan plant. I don't know English name of this plant, but in Hindi we call it Sudarshan ka patta. And you know what? It is completely okay if you don't know every English word. Learning English is also like growing a plant, slow, daily, and with patience. Now after taking a bath, let's start studying. Today I'm going to read a book called Do It Today. Whenever I read a book, I always read it out loud because reading loud helps me understand better and also improves my pronunciation. Reading books not only makes you fluent in English, but it also improves your concentration and your thinking and analyzing power. While reading, I often highlight the lines and paragraphs that I really like or feel are important for me. After reading, I start watching English videos of Alina Reyes with subtitles on. Subtitles help me connect spoken English with written English. While watching the video, if I don't understand any word or phrase, I pause the video, write it down on a paper, and later I Google the meaning. I don't try to remember everything at once, I just try to understand slowly. Speaking practice, most important. After completing the video, I talk on the AC Fluency app for about 15 minutes, and trust me, no matter how much you read or write, if you don't speak, you can never be a fluent speaker. Speaking is the most essential part of learning English. Making mistake is normal. Even I make mistakes, but I still speak. After speaking practice, now it's time to work on grammar. So I did a small exercise of conditional sentences because I feel I am weak in this area. I choose the topics where I feel uncomfortable and practice them more. You can do the same. Find your weak area and work on it daily. Mirror practice. After that, I practice speaking in front of the mirror. Mirror practice helps in building confidence, improves expressions, and removes fear while speaking. Now I am getting ready to go outside. Today, my friend and I are going to college to propose a business idea to the college management. This is the first time we are doing something like this. So we are a little nervous but also excited. On the way, I came across this small flower. It's so beautiful. After that, we ate pani puri and then we went to eat burgers. Look at the view and the decoration. My friend and I really love burgers. For us, it kind of stress relief. So we went to McDonald's, we got our burgers within 15 minutes, had cold drinks, laughed a lot and enjoyed the moment. After that, we went to a bookshop. As you can see, Sandali, she is a big book lover, and this is how our day went. I hope you liked this video. If you are someone who wants to learn English but doesn't know how to practice daily, then start small just like I did. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, take care and keep practicing. Bye.